Hey guys, so we just got our package of our coconut balls, so just a little unboxing. So we got a little reusable bag. Candle with a reusable bag. We actually use the bags like these when we do our bulk bin shopping, in addition to our stasher bags, so they are good for grains or nuts and all that. So happy that this came in a little baggie. We have a coconut balls. Love the packaging. All either recyclable or compostable, so absolutely awesome. Got a crazy little one in the background. Candle smells really, really good. So comes in the actual coconut.
Can I see? Is that a real coconut? You're lying.
Pardon the interruption. We had to take care of the littles, but yeah, the candle smells really, really good, and it's very pretty. See, we got our wood utensils, so 2 sets. So this was actually a bundle special that they were doing on the site. So we did get quite a bit of stuff. So obviously we are a family of 5 with 4 of us actually eating real food. So the set did come with 4 bowls, all of the jumbo size. So they do have a smaller size as well available. We wanted to get the jumbo because we can take some food down. So it's perfect, beautiful jumbo size. You can fit quite a bit of stuff in there. And it does have their nice little logo at the bottom. Very well taken care of, well prepared bowls. So if you guys didn't see on their site as well as some of their social media for the care instructions, I put coconut oil on all my wood and bamboo utensils, so that's another thing to help care for these items. So again, there's 4 sets of these for our family. And then with the bundle, we actually got a huge recipe book, vegan bowls. So looking forward to making some of these recipes in addition to our smoothie bowls that we do on a regular, and just kind of using it for everyday use. So great stuff. We were waiting a little bit for the package to come in due to the pandemic and kind of clogging the mail system, but we're so excited to have it and to use it around the house, at the beach, wherever our adventures may take us. So if you like this unboxing, please go to their website, get yourself a bundle, shop sustainable, shop eco-conscious, use promo code Taitano, TAITANO -10 to save you some money on that. So happy to rep them and happy to get our items in and put them to good use because they will definitely be used. So say bye.
Adios.